Schindler H Express. Oh my god.
What the
That's cool.
Alright.
That is not... Ooh, traction, I think. Oh, you know what these remind me of?
What?
Caesar's Palace Parking Garage, Las Vegas, because of that floor passing chime.
What the heck?
That's cool.
This is weird.
Yeah, these are traction. I wonder what these were. Where did you get the other one?
On this floor or?
I don't think that even did anything. Send you off. God!
That must have hurt.
Sorta. Oh man, it's all the way down. Mad BS Moon.
Bunch of BS.
I don't mind it, to be honest. I was expecting this to be Schindler H Express.
Oh, it ain't bad.
Definitely not. If this thing could hurry up.
I think so.
It's coming.
Alright, I want to try something.
Let's see how nice these are. Oh, they look the exact same as the other buildings.
Alright, watch this. Alright, I give up. First you.
Oh God.
Jeez.
Cab.
Handle's loose.
Of course it is.
This is weird. For such a
Yeah, I want to get my pictures. We'll never know who maintains this. Okay. Well, that was interesting. Was expecting to run into a touchscreen elevator of all things. Well, that's it.